Welcome viewers to our exciting show Women Now. Well, parenting is a 24/7 job. Often it seems that there's not enough hours in a day for the most moms to get things done, especially if it pertains to themselves rather than their kids. Typical days are filled with sports practices, music lessons, play dates, grocery shopping, dinner, bedtime. But where's the time devoted to pampering yourself? With that in mind,
let's meet Kathy Legalsome. She is a renowned Bay Area mommy blogger, and she works for a blogger called blog called Kangaroo Mama, and she has a few items that she can share with us that will help simplify our life.
I can't wait to hear all about this. Welcome, Kathy.
Thank you so much for
Tell
having me
us
here.
about these.
All right. Well, the first line that I have here is Salon Graphics, the healthy hair nutrition line, and they have a conditioning cleanser, and this one actually is a daily use. And what you
take a look.
So, Kathy, this is not restricted to just parents, obviously,
no.
right?
These are, busy individuals, anybody that's looking to simplify their lives.
Everyone that we know, right?
Most shampoos that we buy and use are sulfate based, which can strip our hair from with its natural oils. And this line here is sulfate free, and so. It's really simple to use. The conditioning cleanser you use every day, and it's a non-lathering botanical formula. So don't look for suds. It's not going to do that.
And I have to get used to that because I'm used to a lot of lather when I'm sure.
Right, and you pump some more to get some
clean, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it definitely cleans without the lather. So this one here is their intensive hair repair mask. And you use this once a week, but it's even safe to use daily. And between the two, you're really saving money and time here.
Just do this too.
Shampoo and conditioner in one?
Yeah, and you can even use this as a leave-in conditioner.
Oh, wow.
So after you use it, get out of the shower, after you've towel dried, just put a little bit on and from middle to the end of your hair. And that's your leave-in conditioner.
So what I like about this is usually it's shampoo with conditioner. This is conditioning cleanser.
Right.
So
yeah, it gently
Let's talk about this one
lathers.
here. What is this?
This one here is from Clear. It's their Spry Mint and Gum. And as we all know, we're so busy. I don't know who brushes their teeth 3 times a day after every meal and snack. I mean, I could be brushing my teeth all day long. Well, Spry Mint and Gum, they actually use xylitol to make their mint and gums, which is an all-natural sweetener, and it actually helps to fight against cavities. So not only is it freshening your breath, but it is also helping you prevent tooth decay.
Okay.
Go for it.
All right. So this is the mint, and you have the mint, and it's almost like brushing your teeth?
Yeah,
Are you serious?
so you have it after every meal and snack. Just pop it in your mouth, and it is helping you fight.
Flavors? How many
These are
flavors
just this one is just 4 right here. I think we have fresh fruit, spearmint, and then berry blast and peppermint. But they have more.
Now, how safe are these for kids?
It actually is safe for kids to use, so
if
you don't have to
kids are
worry.
forgetting to brush, they can have one of this.
We definitely still recommend them to brush, but they always want what we have, so these are safe to share with your kids too.
Okay.
So
now, how many a day is optimum?
After every meal and snack. So every time after you've had something, you can pop that in, and it's safe to have as probably many as you want. It says sugar-free here, and
so how do you
xylitol
is Spry?
Spry, and xylitol is actually lower in calories and has less effect on your blood sugar than normal mint and gum. What I hate about sunscreen, and that's why I actually avoid using sunscreen, is when it's greasy, sticky, and shiny.
Yeah.
All things you hate, exactly.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
smells so bad. So I don't use anything that has sunscreen in it. But I tried this product out. It's a spray, and it is really light. It's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free. It's made without, parabens and phthalates. And
now tell me this. It says baby, so it doesn't mean it has to go on a baby's face, right?
no, I mean, I used it this morning, and so it's underneath my makeup. It
Wow.
actually absorbed into the skin and dried really fast, and it's really light. It goes great under makeup.
And it covers A and B UV rays. Like
Yes,
covers
UVA
the
and
whole-
UVB, yeah.
Okay.
And then actually,
Oh, I love
Shakira
it.
raved about
Nice.
this product on her interview with Allure magazine.
Wow.
She said this is her favorite
What
sunscreen.
about this? Sorry to
No,
jump
that's
to
okay. This is the Baby
Kisses.
Gannett Cover Up Kisses lip balm and sunscreen. It's SPF 20, and this one, you know, you hate it when chapsticks and lip balms it's basically a coat of wax and it leaves you more sticky and you know.
Really dry.
I'm
Yeah,
really
exactly, more
curious
chapped.
about this one. New shape of hiccup relief.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I'm
Eat the
like,
sugar
what do you?
and stuff to relieve.
I would just pray that it goes away, but
Well,
is
we've
this?
tried lots of things. Well, I had to induce my hiccups. I tried lots of different things to make sure I got hiccups so I could try this out.
Oh, really?
okay.
How do you induce hiccups?
Dry bread, dry eggs, no water, and the one that did it was a big chunk of dry sweet potatoes.
We tried so
But-
many things to
Yeah.
get over hiccup, attention, distraction, this, that. So, guys, I hope you got something out of this new segments, and I'm going to try this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for having me.